Hey guys, Ryan here with RC Customs. So today I just got, hold on, there's something stuck in my GoPro. Today I just got the engine back from the machine shop. They did a deck, a hone, they hot tanked it. It looks freaking awesome. I just need to throw it on the stand right now. So I'm gonna put it on the stand. And that's probably gonna be it for right now because Mod Max is closed until January 2nd, and probably not going to be able to get any parts until then. So what we're gonna do probably until then as well, I'm gonna tape up everything on the block that needs to be taped up. I'm gonna throw a nice coat of paint on it so it's black, and yeah, but it looks great. I'm really happy with how it came out. So I'm just gonna throw it on the stand. I'll see you guys after the stand. I wanted to give you a little update about what's going on with the engine. But when I get it on the stand, we'll talk some more about what the rebuild is gonna be. I went with just a deck to get it flat. So it has a nice mating surface with the new head gasket and the heads. And it was just a hone. I didn't get it bored out to anything. I was debating on going 2000s over. But didn't. I just stayed stock bore, which is like 3.552, I believe. But yeah, I didn't go 2000s over, 3000s over or anything. So I'll see you guys when I get it on the stand, and we'll talk some more about what the rebuild holds in the future. Hey guys, all right, I got the engine on the stand here. It looks pretty good. I just sprayed the cylinder walls down with WD-40. I'm basically just gonna tape it up for when I'm gone. Put some blue painter's tape over the cylinders, the back here where the crank seal goes here, and then probably tape up the bottom so I can throw a nice coat of paint on it and make it look kind of shiny. But definitely got to paint the valley. The valley looks like crap, even though no one really sees it. But you know, make it look nice. But yeah, so still needs a little bit of cleaning. I'm definitely gonna wash it out a bit because sometimes when you take things to the shop, the machine shop, what can happen is that some metal shavings end up getting stuck into the block itself, and that is a big no-no. So definitely gonna wash it out. Run a hose through some of the cooling passages and everything. I did hot tank it, but still looks like it's still got some grime on it and everything. So I will set this up and see you guys later, and then we can go over what the rebuild is gonna be. So if you go on the channel, you will see a poll in the community tab whether to do a 4.6 to 5 liter stroker kit, possibly, or I'm just making sure everything's tight, I don't know, or possibly just a standard rebuild with some regular pistons in it, and do it that way. I'm kind of leaning more towards the stroker kit because might as well while the engine's apart. I do want to go boosted in the future with a Kenny Bell, but we will see. So I'm going to tape this motor up. I'm going to tape it up, and I'll see you guys next time. I don't know if this is going to be the last video I do home. I'm going back to my union haul to ship out soon. My hair's a mess. But yeah, I'm going back to the union hall soon, so everything is going to be on a 3-month pause basically. That's how that goes. But I will see you guys soon, hopefully next time. We'll be putting the Mustang motor back together. Oh, and an update on the downpipe for the Ranger. I put on let me close the bed so you guys can see it a little better. A dual tip Gibson catback. It was very, very, very loud, and it sounded like shit with the AFE catback. So the Gibson catback went on. My boss actually ended up giving it to me as my Christmas bonus, so that was awesome. But yeah, so now it sounds a lot better. I'll make a video of it with it. It's much quieter. It sounds so good. I love the sound that comes from it. If you do the downpipe, you can do a straight muffler delete, it's going to be very aggressive and very, very, very loud. With a muffler in there, with the high performance muffler, it definitely sounds very good. So definitely recommend doing that. Also, another thing I didn't mention during the downpipe video, when you do the downpipe, you are going to need defowlers of some sort. I totally forgot. I didn't put mine in. I got a light from it. I'm going to be putting defowlers in it soon. I don't know if I'm going to do it before I leave or when I get back, but definitely sometime soon. And another thing I got from my job, which was awesome, I got another free 4.6 block. It was a 2-valve out of an 02 GT, so I got the block, pan, everything. And what I'm debating on doing with that in the future is probably building a 4-valve engine, which is like found in Cobra. If you're not familiar with Fords, the modular motors, it's found in Cobras, Mach 1s, some Lincoln like Navigators, Mark 7s, stuff like that, Mark 8s, Marauders. So I'm going to be doing a 4-valve swap on that. I want to build a 4-valve Cobra Mach 1 motor. So I'm just trying to find some heads for it, and then I'm probably going to take that to the machine shop next when this engine gets built and finished, and then probably build a nice cool 4-valve motor to put in something. I don't know what yet, but I think that would be a cool build series to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Let me know what you guys want to see, if you want to see a regular rebuild or stroker kit on this. I'm leaning more towards the stroker just because I think it'll be cool, but let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.